Stop everything you are doing right now. Heaven is calling your name. This is not a chance encounter, nor a mere whisper among the noise that surrounds you. This very instant, this breath you now take, it is meticulously ordained. It is a divine appointment precisely timed just for you. Angels have paused their movement as these words reach you. For what happens next will shape what comes towards you or what slips away from your hands. Do not allow your thoughts to drift or wander into the distractions of the fleeting world. Should you choose to depart before my speaking is done, you would miss the specific provisions, the unique blessings, and the profound restorations I have set aside for you alone. Stay with me. My child, I have watched you. I saw the silent tears that flowed unseen by human eyes, tears you kept hidden, believing you were utterly alone in your sorrow. I saw the deep weariness that stirs you in the quiet of the pre-dawn. That ache that awakens when the world is still and your spirit feels most exposed. I know the quiet anxiety that grips you over unseen obligations and the looming shadows of what is due. I saw when allegiance was cruelly betrayed and the sacred bond of confidence was violated, leaving you feeling diminished and deeply scarred. You gave everything you possessed, pouring out your very being. Yet only your missteps were magnified by those whose acknowledgement you yearned for. I was there as an unseen guardian when troubles like relentless shadows kept you from the solace of peace. You have wondered why your blessings seem delayed. You see delay as waiting, but in the spiritual world, delay is movement. I never stopped planning your blessing. Delay is a silent thief. The enemy cannot take what I give, but he can surround you with noise so you never notice the door opening. He wants you distracted, tired, and overwhelmed, so you say. Type Amen if you believe I'm working behind the scenes, even when you cannot see the outcome. Listen carefully, for I must reveal the danger you cannot see with your natural eyes. I have called you 7 times. And I am speaking with urgency because the danger you're approaching cannot be avoided without my guidance. I am stepping between you and the danger. My patient tolerance has reached its sacred limit. I am drawing you away from influences that drain your spirit, while others I will directly cause to recede from your path. This is not abandonment. It is divine alignment. Join the faithful remnant who lean into my voice each day. You are deeply loved and forever held.